Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to make this simulated effect. So let's get started. And first we click plugin and types HDRI, and we need to check HDRI backdrop. And the next I will create new level, empty level. And the next things I'm gonna do as HDRI. I open it, open this one, and I drag this HDRI file into here. And next I will change this mesh. I type sky and I rotation it, and and here we have this effect now. And before that I have downloaded this HDRI from this website. You also can download free, and I have downloaded all of them, so you can download from my projects. And the next I will add post process value. And the next things I will type infinite. I will check it, and here I will use exposures and change to manual, and I change this value, and I will open this one and to change this convolution. I think this effect is perfect. And the next I will adjust the voyagers into the scene. I will have the folder and change the name. And I will adjust it to a right position. I think it's okay. And also you can rotation it to find the perfect angle. And and the next things I'm gonna do as the directional lines. I think this line's angle is okay. And the next thing is I will change this value. And I think it's okay. And the next thing I will create the new sequences. And save it. And the next things I gonna do as the camera. And right click and select move objects to camera. And I drag this camera into the sequencer. And we have this effect now. And I will select this camera and I change this camera's lens. It's the wide lens. I think it's perfect. And also you can use this crop setting. This more cinematic. And and you can make a keyframe. Hold down middle mouse and drag it. Create the keyframe. Hold down middle mouse and drag this and create the keyframe. So we have this simple animations now, just a little bit rotation, but I think this effect is not good enough, so I will delete it, and I just have the throws close to this origin. So list the simple animations and change it to linear. And we play it. Yeah, we have these symbols to slowly close to this origin. Yeah, that's it. I hope this video is useful to you. If you like my content, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you. See you next time.